Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dina's Nail Art. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I got a KitchenAid and this grinding slicing attachment, and I had 3 potatoes left over from Christmas dinner, so I'm going to make hash browns. I started out by washing the potatoes and slicing them so they fit in the add-on attachment, and then put them in, and look at that, great. I found a recipe that said that you should put it in cold water, and that'll help to remove the excess starches. It says to put it in a bowl of cold water, rinse it, put it in cold water again, and squeeze out any of the starches, and then drain it of the water, and then dry them on towels preferably. So that's what I'm doing here. And meanwhile, I'm going to put oil in a pan, 3 to 4 tablespoons oil, and get it nice and hot, and season. I actually couldn't see the salt when I was pouring it in because I was holding the video camera with one hand and I couldn't see the salt against the white background. So yeah, that's what I learned today. I learned to be careful.